I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Welcome to Heart of the Home. Today I'm going to show you guys a delicious summer salad to take advantage of those beautiful herbs growing in your own garden. I absolutely love having my own garden. I do a lot of basils, I do a lot of rosemary, oregano, and sage, which is delicious as well. Today we are using some fresh basil, we're going to use fresh mint, and we're going to use some fresh parsley. We are going to be using some dried dill, but we'll talk about that when we get there. I like to garnish this with some toasted pita breads. You would take a pita bread and just cut it in half. I put these in the oven this morning for about 5-10 minutes or so at 350, so they're kind of crispy, and I love having crunchy with my salads. So what I've got here is the basil and the mint, and what I want to talk about are, when you work with fresh herbs, there's a rule sort of with the stems. This is some really fat, thick stems, and I would say you would not want to use those. The softer stems are perfectly fine, but I would not take the time to pick each leaf off of the stems. I would just take out the thicker stems as well. You can toss those in your compost or in your trash, wherever you choose. And we're just going to get rid of those. And then the same thing with the mint. We don't want to use the large, thick stems. And when you work with fresh rosemary, you really don't want to use that at all because they are twigs, so to speak. But if the stem is soft enough to chew, then you can certainly use it in all of your recipes. So we're going to pull off some of that mint. And we're using a little less than 2 cups of the chopped parsley, which I did ahead because it was so much involved with that. So we're just going to get this mint. This smells beautiful. Gosh darn. Get that out of there. And now I've got the basil and the mint together here. And you're just going to do a nice rough chop on it. Does not have to be a fine dice or anything like that. You really want to be able to taste these herbs in this particular salad. And then we have some vegetables waiting that we're going to be tossing with it in addition to the dressing. I love using fresh herbs in all of my cooking. Really brings out the flavor. There is kind of a rule of thumb, though, when you have to switch to something dried, and today we're using dried thyme. Any sort of dried herb that you use is going to be far more concentrated than a fresh one, and you want to actually kind of use less of that. I've often heard if it's like a tablespoon of fresh, then you want to use a half of a tablespoon of dried. So that's a nice rough chop there. We're just going to clean that knife off. Now what we have are the vegetables I've already diced today. We have got some grape tomatoes, and I've cut those in half, and we've got some diced cucumber and some green onion. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these vegetables into a large bowl, large salad bowl. We're going to toss in the basil and the mint. We're going to toss in the parsley, and we're going to toss in about a half a teaspoon or so of dried dill. All right, get that over here. Mix that up. Oh, it's beautiful. Gracious me. All right. We're going to get a nice vibrant dressing in there. We've got about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Drizzle that around. And we've got 2 tablespoons of balsamic. And now we're going to juice a lemon into it. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. That will certainly enhance the herbs. This is a beautiful salad. It's nice and refreshing for the summertime. It's also pretty versatile, you know, if you choose to add some sort of a cheese, if you want to put maybe feta cheese or goat cheese in this, I think that would be a nice addition as well. And you want to serve that with some pita crisp, which we'll just lay on top as a garnish right now. All right. Simple recipe. The chopping, slicing, dicing probably took the longest. You know, as I tell people when you work with recipes, prep always takes longer than the actual cooking. So anything that you can get done ahead, it would lessen the time that it takes. But this salad, you saw me, it was put together in 5 minutes. So we hope you'll enjoy this salad. Thank you very much. I'm Tammy Brawley with the Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.